Okay, and it's time for the workbook. We're doing the reading part today on pages 52 and 53. And the first part just says read. So the title of our story is What Do You Know About Butterflies? Not that much. I hope I can learn something in this story. The words that were from our student book that we can review are wet, dry, wait, and protect. The only new one here was protect, and that means to keep something safe. So in your car, a seatbelt protects you. On a bicycle, a helmet protects you. And in your classroom, your teacher protects you to keep safe. All right, let's read. New butterflies can't fly because their wings are wet. They have to spread their wings and wait for them to dry. Butterflies can't fly in cold weather. Some butterflies fly south before winter. It's warm there. Butterflies have mouths but no teeth. They can't eat, but they can drink. You can plant flowers for butterflies. They will come and drink from the flowers. Some butterflies have big spots on their wings. The spots look like eyes on a big animal. The spots protect the butterflies from other animals. Oh, that's cool. Okay, now we're going to take all of this cool butterfly information and use it to answer some questions in part B. Okay, number 1 says, why do new butterflies have to wait for their wings to dry? So we're looking for a why, so we want to find a reason. Maybe it might say because. This is usually a clue word for why. Okay, and this is definitely a clue word, new butterflies, and wait for wings to dry. Let's go see if we can find that. I think it was in paragraph 1. So I think it was in here. New butterflies can't fly because their wings are wet. They have to spread their wings and wait for them to dry. Well, there's wait for them to dry. So why do they do this? Because they spread their wings? No, they do this and this. Do they do this because they can't fly? Yeah, but why can't they fly? Their wings are wet. Okay, and this is the answer that we're going to write. All right, let's write that. We can copy exactly the same way. Their wings are wet. Okay, and number 2 says, where do some butterflies fly before winter? Okay, this is a where question, so we're looking for a place. And here's some clue words for us. Fly before winter. Let's go look for these words here. Okay, I can't remember which paragraph, so I will just go through them all quickly. Now remember, we're looking for fly before winter. New butterflies can't fly because their wings are wet. They have to spread their wings and wait for them to dry. Nothing in here. Butterflies can't fly in cold weather. Some butterflies fly south before winter. There's before winter. There's our clue words. Okay, so now look in this sentence and find the place. Some butterflies fly south. There we go. Fly south. Okay, that's the answer right there. South can be a place. It can answer where. So where do some butterflies fly before winter? Some butterflies are more than one. They fly. And our answer was south, so we just say south. They fly south. Done. Okay, number 3 says, do butterflies eat flowers or drink from flowers? So we can only pick this or this. We have to choose one of these. And I know butterflies are plural, so I can say they. I think that this is the answer, but I'm just going to check quickly. And it was in this paragraph. Butterflies have mouths but no teeth. They can't eat, but they can drink. All right, so they can drink. There we go. So it's definitely drink. They drink from flowers. All right, and number 4 says, why do some butterflies have big spots on their wings? Okay, again, another why question. So we have to find a reason for this. And we're looking for big spots on their wings. So these are the clue words. And after we find this, we try to find the reason. Let's look for big spots. That was definitely in this one. I can see the spots in the picture. Let's go to the text. Some butterflies have big spots on their wings. Okay, why? The spots look like eyes on a big animal. Is that why they have them though? Or the spots protect the butterflies from other animals. Okay, I think that this is why they have them, because the spots keep them safe from other animals. So this is our answer right here. Let's write that over here. And we can copy exactly the same from the text. So a little bit longer. The spots protect the butterflies from other animals. So basically, the other animals fly over the butterfly, or they're sitting down here like a frog and they see those spots and they think that it's a big animal that can hurt them, so they run away or fly away. Anyways, part B is done. Let's go on to part C. This is part C. It says, check the correct answer. And this is the vocabulary part. So here we go. Which one is dry? This bird has water everywhere, so it is not dry. This bird is nice and dry, like a piece of toast. Number 2, what do spots look like? These ones or these ones? Ding. What does drink mean? Drink. This one, the butterfly is flying in here. The butterfly's long tongue, its proboscis, is down into the flower to drink up the nectar. Part C is done. And this is part D. It just says, what about you? Right? So let's answer the questions about us. Are there any butterflies by your house? Okay, if there aren't any butterflies, if you never ever see butterflies, you can just write, no, there aren't. And then you're done. But for me, I'm going to say, yes, there are. Yes, there are. And then I have to answer one more question. What color are they? Most of the ones around my house are white. So I will say, they are white. And this might be different for you. Maybe you have beautiful pink butterflies around your house. Number 2, do you like butterflies? Why? Yes, I do. Period. If you don't like butterflies, you can write no, I don't, but you still have to answer this question too. So yes, I do. Why do I like butterflies? Well, they are beautiful, comma, and they help flowers and plants grow. Okay, and there's a period there. All right, and I'm done. Good job, everybody.